I'm tired. Not a bad view, huh? Right now I'm heading to catch the sunrise. And I've got a surprise. There it is. Sunrise surprise. Sounds enticing. My school is actually like right up here. All the students are about to see me. So I'm probably gonna try to conceal the camera. Walking around in Placentia is a hike. Sin duda. Okay, let's see if I can stay discreet. Oh, the smell of cigarettes in the morning. That's Spain. We're approaching the countryside. Probably another 15 minutes. I'm actually coming up my school. I'll be there in about 5 minutes. My other school. I work at 2 schools. And I love them both so much that I decided to walk past them on my day off. Oh, the light just went out. Street lamps just went out. Damn it. I can see my destination, more or less. It is definitely getting bright. Thing is, I should have the help of the mountains to delay the peak of the sunrise. Anyway, I was just saying that I have been spotted by at least one student now. At least one. Not too bad. So I just checked some of this footage and does not look like it's in focus. Also, I've noticed that my angles for these types of selfies are not great. my angle game is weak. Oh my god, this is anything but weak. We've reached the edge of town, and at the edge of town, you get views. You get views like this. Like, totally out of time. I'm running, but I nearly just tripped with this big ass camera in my hand. But this will do. This will do. Yeah, this will do just fine. Sunrise is full on. And I forgot to put the SD card back in this thing. This is not a great SD card. But we're gonna give it a try because we have no other options. I hope it works. Oh, and somehow I forgot to charge my phone last night. I'm sure I plugged it in, but maybe the outlet wasn't plugged in. And the phone is a controller, so that's a little bit unfortunate. There she is. I found the sunrise a little bit late, but it's fine. Getting some wind warnings, which is a little bit concerning because I'm so far out. Yeah. Lower down and bring her back. Pretty great views up. straight back now. It's really not loud. So yeah, I got a drone. I never thought I would. I've always kind of been like anti-drone. Like I kind of thought of it as a filmmaking fad. I think a good prime lens and a decent camera is really all you need. Maybe a little bit of stabilization. But you know what? I think I was wrong. This thing's super fun to fly. It's tiny, very portable. And yeah, it's been a joy so far. I just took it out for the first time yesterday. I received it from Amazon yesterday. I know, Amazon, the devil, right? But I think it's gonna be fun. I love geography, I love maps, so it's so cool to be able to fly it around here. There's no one around here, no one to potentially crash it into, and the cows don't seem to mind at all, so that's cool. I don't want to disturb them either, especially first thing in the morning. I know I'm just having my first coffee. It is scary though. Like, this thing's supposed to have a 10-kilometer range. I just had it out 1 kilometer, and it lost signal for a second. And that's fucking terrifying. Like, I don't know, Placentia is very windy, and that has also been an issue. That's why I came out here this morning. Of course, the light is a factor as well. But you know what? It looks incredible right now, so I'm gonna pack in another battery. This big camera battery is dying, unfortunately. Yeah, another battery to worry about, right? Going in for some more, just a little bit. Got a taste. Put these things on. New battery, and take off. Puerto. It's like a church on the hill over there, but kind of in a cloud. Oh yeah, it's in a big cloud. Or a dark cloud. There might actually be some snow out there on the mountain. Those mountains get snow. There's a ski station there. Station, because it's not a resort. Gusting wind right now. My jacket just blew off the rock I had it setting on. We're not that far, but I'm bringing her back in right now, and it's pretty nerve-wracking. $150 meters. This is dark clouds. There she is. Néstor, hombre, qué buen
got a drone.